This is the upstairs. This is foosball. This is a picture of me, my dog, and my brother, and my mom. This is the office doors. This is our Christmas tree. Those are our presents. These are some delicious oranges. And I will now be... And this is our Advent candles. We light all 4 when it's Christmas Day, which will be not too long. This is my brother. His name is Patrick. That's my unicorn. He's trying to...
Don't take a picture of
I'm
me.
taking a video. I hate you.
Stop it.
No, this is a video.
Stop it.
This is my brother. He's angry.
Give me the camera.